Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with an awesome Kroger Mega Event couponing haul. It was an awesome time. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I'm going to go left to right. We are on the Mega Event, buy 10, save 5. It is a phenomenal sale. So many deals, so many coupons and rebates. It's just awesome. And just time to stock up. It's time to stock up on these products. It is. This is the price best price you're going to see all year, most likely. Some of these things, like the Green Giant vegetables, the Kroger brand's 50 cents every day, but this is Green Giant, and that's better than, I mean, it's not better, but it's nice to have the name brand for a penny cheaper and everything. And some of these things we might see coupons for, but I checked next week, and we're not getting coupons for the Swanson, so I just thought, let's just go for it and grab it this week. So great deals. But if more deals, more deals will come out tomorrow for the first of the month. We'll get a lot of new coupons. So if I go back to Kroger, I will show you. So first up, I just grabbed 2 of these Green Giant broccoli and cheese, 75 cents. I grabbed my free Suave. I have that. If you haven't seen the Kroger couponing deals video, click the I in the top right corner, and you will be directed to that. These are $1.49. I had a $3 off 2 digital, so it made these a free, totally free for this. It has to be the hair and body wash. I grabbed the Kroger orange juice for $1.99. Now this deal is no longer available. It is available, but not in the same way. I had 60 cents off of 3 coupons. Those expired. But they are 39 cents on the Mega, which is a phenomenal price anyways. I had that coupon for 60 cents off 3. I used 2 of them, and there is a 90 cents back on 3 Ibotta. So I got these for like 4 cents a can. Unbeatable. Best price I've ever gotten tomatoes. Okay, I just use these as fillers. I grabbed the Green Giant, 3 of the Green Giant green beans for 49 cents. These are great items to round out your Mega. And I grabbed the Campbell's gravy for 49 cents. So, phenomenal. I grabbed 10 of the Swanson broths at 49 cents. I grabbed 20 of these Campbell's soups. Now, that's a lot of soup, but they're 49 cents on the Mega event. I had $1 off of 8 digital coupon, and then I used 3 of the 40 cents off of 4 paper coupons. So that made these like 39 cents. A couple of them were 36 cents. Phenomenal deal on the cream of chicken soup. The all detergent is $2.49. I used $1 off coupon, and there's a $1 saving star, so 49 cents. This Krusteaz cornbread, this is $1.49 on the Mega. I had a digital coupon for 50 cents off, and there's a saving star for 50 cents. So you can't beat 49 cents. That's crazy. That's a great deal. This is a little splurge. These are $2.49 on the Mega. I just really, really like these. So you can't beat that. Well, you can't beat it, but I went for it today. Okay, my mom just wanted this spreadable butter. It was $2.49. I know Land O'Lakes is cheaper, but she just wanted the spreadable kind, so we just went for it. The Kroger evaporated milk. This was just 79 cents. We need it for a recipe. My store was all out of the Swanson's beef broth already, so I had to get this. It was $1.29. Bush's chili beans. I've been doing this every week, but phenomenal. They're $1. I had $1 back on 2, checkout 51, so it made these 50 cents. The Tillamook ice cream. These are $3.99. These are going to be really good. We're going to have them for my grandparents' anniversary party. They're $3.99. I had $1 Blinky, so it made them $2.99 for the Tillamook. Now, originally I'm at the Kroger brand, but these are actually bigger, so you might as well grab the Tillamook. All right, the Simply Potatoes. This is an epic deal. They are $1.99 on the Mega. I had $1 off 2 printables, and when you buy 3, you get a $2 Catalina. So I bought 4 of them. After everything, these were 99 cents a pack, which is a great deal. My family just wanted this McCormick gravy. It was $1 something. It was kind of a lot. The Toll House cookies, these are $1.99. I didn't have any coupons. Ugh, and Walmart had coupons for these Peelies, but I didn't have them. So anyways, these were just $1.99. My mom just wanted these tights. They were $4.87, and there's $1 Ibotta. The stovetop stuffing was 2 for $3. I really wish we could have got that cheaper, but that's not bad. That doesn't go on sale very much. The Betty Crocker frosting was $1.50, and then this cake mix was 99 cents on the Mega event. Okay, I got some eggs for 89 cents. Lemons were $3.99. The cutie things, these were $3.99. I got some spinach because my mom's gonna try and make knockoff chicken gnocchi soup that Olive Garden has. That's why we got these. So it takes spinach. And we got the gnocchi noodles. These were $2.79. The tomatoes were $1.99. Asparagus, it was on sale for $1.99 a pound. I don't know the exact price. I think it was around there. The Driscoll's raspberries. These are regularly $5.99. This is phenomenal. It's on a deal for $1.99 for this 2-pack at my Kroger. It might not be everywhere. I think it is. It had it in the ad, so $1.99 is awesome. The Sargento blends. These are $2.79. I had a 75-cent coupon, so $2.04. The Kroger 8-pound potatoes are $2.99. That's kind of a lot, but we needed potatoes. The tea bags were $1.19, and then this jasmine rice was $2.29 on sale. Not on the Mega, which was weird because the rest of the minute rice was on there, but this wasn't. Had a $1 best customer coupon, so it was just $1.29. That's not bad. And the Zevias were $4.99 a piece. That's a lot, but I'm trying to stay away from Splenda right now. So for this stuff, it was a retail value of $181.48. I paid $96.95, making it a percentage saved of 46% for all this stuff. I am thrilled with that. Stocked up on the canned goods again, and I'll definitely use all these things. So yeah, that is all for this, and thank you so much for watching.